Jake and Maya and Stitched Up have teamed up to bring you a series of tutorials so that you can make your clothes last longer.
Hi, I'm Bryony from Stitched Up, and today we're going to learn how to patch up some ripped jeans. What you'll need is a needle and thread, a pair of scissors, some pins and some scrap denim, maybe from some old pairs of jeans. So the first thing we want to do is cut a piece of denim from the scrap that is a little bit bigger than your rip all the way around, so a couple of inches bigger. So you can just lay it on top and cut out a piece that's roughly the right size. And on this pair of jeans I've got the knees are thinning around the rip, so we're going to cut a nice big patch. So use a doubled length of thread and tie a couple of knots in the end. And then just roll up your jeans leg to where you need to get access to for sewing. And then just place the patch on top, making sure it's centrally placed on top of the damaged area, and then pin it down. And just make sure when you're doing this that you are only pinning through one layer of jeans, so maybe stick one hand inside the jeans leg just to be sure that you're not stitching them together. And then you can use whatever stitch you like just to go all around the edge of the patch, so a few millimetres in from the edge. For this pair we're just using a running stitch, which is a nice, quick and simple stitch to do. And then you can remove your pins and just do a couple of knots on the inside of your jeans leg just to keep the patch in place and snip off the loose ends. And then there you have it, your lovely pair of mended jeans.